Alright, hello and welcome to a new video. So today we're gonna do the Juice WRLD / Lil Peep type beat. It's basically just a lot of guitars, not a lot, like 2 guitars, and I tried to leave like other other melodies and instruments out of it. So here we go. Alright, so basically it's a pretty simple beat in terms of drums, but the guitar is, so since there's only one instrument, you know what I mean, like one main instrument, usually what I have is like, I have like the lower frequencies or the bass notes being played by like a pad or maybe piano for this bit, and then the high notes with like a bell or a guitar. But the guitar's got to do all the work because, there's no other instruments besides the other guitar, which I'll show you guys after. So essentially it's 2 chords, F, E, F, E. So 2 Fs, then 2 Es, 1, 7, right? So it's just the chords, here, right? So here, let me bring this down. That's the chord F minor, but then this is brought up, and then this is the same as this. So you'll notice like a lot of the same notes being played. So G sharp, F, F, C, C. You know what I mean? It's just a couple extra notes, here and there, just to give it some life. So I'm gonna play just the guitar for now. Okay, so the guitar is from Omnisphere. What would Pat do with an ARP on it, 1/8, and then I think I half speeded it. Yeah, half speeded it, and I put this stutter at the end of it. That's pretty much it. And then the other guitar is just same melody, but without the ARP on it. And the other guitar is this flamenco guitar from Omnisphere as well. So then we get into the 808s. So this 808, if you want it, like I use it a lot now, it's on the Discord. It's like a free download. I'll probably also put it like a link to it on the channel, but I just wanted it to be like a simple, like F, E was the chord progression, so it's F, E. Didn't want too much movement on the 808s. And then snares, obviously, on the 3 simple snares. Kick basically follows the 808. Maybe some kicks taken out here and there. Oh, okay. This isn't in the beat. This was the first hi-hat pattern I had, and then I kind of half debated changing it, but then I changed it. So it's basically the hi-hats just have a lot of velocity changes, you know what I mean? So like basically, if you've seen me stream, I've done it where it's like I just take 4 notes and then I change the velocity on the 3. Sometimes it's, every other one, but sometimes I change all 3 notes. So then I just copy and paste it over. So I think this kind of gives it like a rock feel to it. Then claps on the 3, and then just the open hat. So it's just open hat here, and then repeat over there. So it's really just the guitar sound. Like essentially, remember I said in my 2 videos ago, I said, it's all about, setting a mood with your chord progression and then, playing a little bit of melody. And then it doesn't matter what you do with your drums. I mean, just as long as they're not like terrible drums, you'll be fine, you know what I mean? So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Let me know what videos you guys want to see next. If you guys want to see like a music theory video, I can kind of do like music theory for trap beats or whatever. But like music theory isn't like my strongest suit, you know what I mean? I just know like some. Alright, thank you guys for watching.